backyard on this beautiful day, and I figured I am going to test out my cabbages. Now these are my second string of players. These are not my top dogs. These are the ones that I'm going to try and plant outside to see how well they do. And then if they show me that they are strong enough, because these are the weaker of my team that was accepted into Renee's garden. So I'm going to test them out, and if they are super strong, then I will bring out my A team, because I know my A team will rock it out here in my garden. So we're going to try the second team to see how well they fare, and I'm going to plant them in this raised planter bed. So let me show you what I'm talking about. See this raised bed right here? I'm going to plant them here, and then this is going to be like my test bed. So I planted some, but I forgot that I needed to add some of this blood meal in there, so when their roots start getting bigger, they'll be able to tap down into some of this blood meal, and it will make them stronger and healthier. Even though they weren't my top team, I still love them as if they are, and I'm going to give them a good start to get established in this garden. So even though they're a little weak, you should never give up on your plants. You should give them all the tools and all the nutrients that they're going to need in order to survive in your garden. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be rooting for them, going rah, rah, rah. You got this. You can do it. You can be just as good as my A team player. So with that being said, let's get these bad boys planted. So I'm going to take these ones out, and I'm going to replant them, but I'm going to dig the hole first. Then I'm going to shake a little bit of this bone meal in here to give them a good little start. And then I'm going to reposition this plant back in this hole, and I'm going to tuck them in nice and tight all the way up to their necks, so I can keep them strong and healthy. Tuck them in there tight. Keep them all nice and cozy, so they'll be able to be ready. All right, do the same thing with this one. I'll pull this one out, set them to the side, dig that hole nice and deep. So when I stick that bad boy in there, it'll be nice and cozy. Put a little bone meal up in there, stir it around a little bit, and see, these came out pretty good out of my cups and stuff. They look really good, but you know, I'm going to give them the best start that I possibly can. So I'm going to stick that one down there, and I'm going to tuck them in nice and tight. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. As you know, I've been waiting to get out here and put some vegetables in. So, and they seem to like the cold weather, so we're going to get some cold weather. So, what better time than to put them out here and give them a try. Tuck them in good. All right, this one. Set it to the side. Put a bone meal. Put that baby back in there. Hold him up so he's nice and strong. And give him some encouraging words. Like, you are going to be amazing. You're going to grow nice and strong. Nice and strong. This one right here. And you're just going to keep doing that all the way to the end. Bone meal in there. Plant that. guys, that's exactly how it's going to look. And then I'm going to give them some good little water. So they'll be happy and won't be thirsty. And I'll just come out here and I will keep an eye on them and check on them. And I even put a little friend in here, a little pansy that overwintered from the winter time. So give them some company. But yep, that's what Renee's doing in Renee's garden today. I just planted a whole bunch of cabbage, and I'm going to plant them all the way down to the end. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day outside. Keep my fingers crossed that my second string of players will make me proud, will get healthy, will get strong, and will give me some fantastic cabbage. All right, I have a few more to go. So we're going to say, you can do it, cabbage. You can do it. All right, wish me luck, you guys, and I will check you out in the next video. We can do it. This cabbage is going to grow strong. Help me wish this cabbage lots of luck and to grow big and strong in Miss Renee's garden. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.